Hi guys, in this video we want to learn about plastic nail foam sculpting. So first thing you need to know about plastic nail foam sculpting is making sure that you do a proper prep. A proper prep will help you to prevent lifting of the nails, and then you take those cups and you spread the gel as you can see I'm doing. Then you place it on the cuticle and you press it a little bit like that. Then you stabilize that using a mini UV so that it can be held in position without lifting at the cuticle region. Then now you spread the underneath. You will repeat the same procedure on those nails. You see the way I'm placing it? Yes, just like that. You can drag it a little bit, especially if you have some bumpy nails. Then you hold it like that. Yes, you remove the excess, then you press the cuticle, then you stabilize. Now you just hold it like that. No, not too much pressure. Then you repeat the same. Sometimes you will find the nail is so huge, like it's so curved. I mean, this is how you will do it. You'll drag the gel like that, then you put it into position, then you tilt, and you can see there is lumps underneath, and there is a little bit of natural nails poking. You can see that. So that one I'll show you guys how to handle it properly. So we will proceed to the thumb, and you can see you put it there, making sure there is no bubble, because bubbles are trouble. Then you press it a little bit, then you hold it in position with that UV. Very important. You can see I'm making sure I flash cure it. Flash curing help it stay in one position without lifting. Then you're going to pop up the cups like that after curing your product for like let's say 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes, your gum gel is usually dry. You can see how they look amazing. So after this popping, make sure you turn the fingers facing up and put them on the UV so that underneath can cure properly as well without having any stickiness. Then if you don't want to use file, because these things usually eat a lot of file, you can use your drill to do that, to reduce the length. You move it from one side like that, control, yes, like that. You see, just like that. Yes, just like that. Then now you will have reduced the length to what your client wants. Okay, very simple. Then when you're done with all that, what you're doing next is just now shaping them to perfect shape. Okay, and during this process you just move to and fro, then you will be very okay. After that, what you do next is drilling the cuticle area, making sure there is no product on the surface of the skin. Okay, any product that is overlapping to the skin, you make sure you remove them properly using your drill, like the way I'm doing here, to and fro, making sure you don't injure the cuticle region. You can see I'm just removing the excess that might be on the skin. That's what I'm doing on this video. So you can see you do that to all the nails, and it takes the shortest time possible. You don't need to struggle with that. Then remember that natural nail that was popping. This is how you remove it. Okay, this is how you remove it, and making sure underneath is very uniform and there is no too much debris underneath the nails. So this is an e-bit, and this is how you use it. You can see it's cleaning the bottom of the nails. Okay, so that's how it's done, so that you can have a neat underneath. So then again, there are some places that your 5-in-1 cannot reach. That is where your e-bit comes into play. You will use your e-bit to clean the cuticle area where your 5-in-1 couldn't reach. Okay, that's very simple. This is how you do that. Yes, you do that. You clean it properly. You do it from nail to nail, and the speed I'm using in this scenario is just around 10 rpm, because I don't want to injure my client. So when you're done with that procedure, you're going to make sure you buff those nails smooth. Buff them smooth. You can see, even if you have inconsistency, just take your file and reduce the inconsistency. You see? Yes, that's how you do that. Clean both sides and make sure it's fine. Then you will spray with alcohol or surgical spirit, then remove the dust, because if you don't remove those dust properly during application like this, they are going to bother you and you don't want to struggle during application. So I'm doing a certain nude here which is easy to use. You can see it's a very good sheer color because my client wanted something holographic, chrome, like with a chrome touch, which is not so visible. So that's what I was doing. Then you do your second coat. Very easy, very simple. Then now you can do your French. Yes, I'm using a gel paste because I want my French to last. But this gel paste, if you don't know how to use it, it's going to be, if you don't know how to use it, it's going to be very messy, and it's going to disturb you so much because inakwanga very thick. And if you're somebody who is in a rush, this is not for you. Just use the normal gel. So you will do your French like that. French is just a basic nail art, which I've posted a lot of it. So after you're done, your nails should be looking like this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.